Get out there and blast. Get out there and blast. Hey blasters. Hey blasters. Sean from Blue Dog Blasting. Get out there and blast. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Now get out there and blast.
I'm never gonna have a normal life again. And I'll never forgive him. It was November 12th, 2019. That's the day that everything changed in my life. The moment he hit me in the head with that ball, I immediately felt concussed and continued to feel that way for 3 days. I have this horrible loud ringing in my left ear. I don't think it's ever going to be normal again. I don't know why he did it. Maybe to hurt me, embarrass me. I don't know. I fear the only way I can get him back is to expose him. Show all his mess-ups. He claims to be Sean One Take Simmons, but that couldn't be further from the truth.
Mic, check. Check, mic.
John, check.
Check, mic, check, mic. Check, mic. Valve or a combination valve, or let's just start over, man.
Sucks to sit. Son of a bitch. You go to slide it on, you're like, yeah, it's as easy as, it's easy. It's easy, damn it. It's easy.
That's gonna be fun to edit.
We're gonna get into a little bit more of the, what is that? Welcome Black. Welcome back, Blasters. All right, edit that. All right, game face. Let's do this. You don't need a blast pattern. That pattern. You don't need a blast pattern that big as the abrasive and air come in. Out to your compressor and your Radex inline air filter and your operator. Everybody's clean, everybody's dry, everybody's happy. Get out there and blast. What the f does that mean? Get out there and blast? Thanks for joining Blasters. Sean again with Blue Dog Blasting. Head over to the website, pick one of these babies up. Have a great day. Okay, silly dokia, I'm an idiot. Hey Blasters, so that wraps up part 3 of our series. We have the pusher line from the front going into our abrasive metering valve. And we have our pinch valve hooked up with our coupled pinch hose. Stay tuned. Ah! Nailed it. Waiting on Kevin. Always waiting on Kevin. Hey, it's all editing for you, baby. All editing all the time.
All right.
Is that what you're wearing?
Yeah.
Woo!
Problem with that?
Woo! I've just been informed that the damn it. Do it again. Sorry. Where was I standing? I was right here. All right. So the next one on our list is the 5106, the Air Stop 2.
We're out of stock. By the way, your pants stink.
I've just been informed that we are currently out of stock of the 5106, the Air Stop 2. Thanks a ton, Kevin. Ben Reels. So that concludes our informative video on the 120. The 5120. Hey Blasters, Sean from Blue Dog. Just wanted to wish you a god dang it, man. We'll do that again.
That way we can get over to the compressor, shut it down, and make sure everybody's safe. Make sure everybody's safe. Good luck with that.
So that you know what to buy and make an educated decision for the best application for your next coming project. Now get out there and blast.
Get out there and blast!
Cut, and we're gonna have to edit. Hey Blasters, Sean from Blue Dog Blasting. Today is episode 2 of our nozzle series going over the double Venturi. Stay tuned.
Oh!
Sprays out, it comes out almost haphazardly. You're gonna have to edit that. You should get Bill in here. He can talk all day about these nozzles. Hey Blasters, welcome back. So again, we're gonna go over the nozzles. Stop. It's gonna be rusty by the time you're done. Yeah. This is all getting f***ed. I just want to start all over from fucking scratch. Hey Blasters, Sean from Blue Dog Blasting. There's a lot of times you're going to have to empty out that pot if you've got a slurry pot. That stuff will turn to sludge and possibly harden at the bottom of your machine, so after you're done at the end of the day, you do need to crack your valves open and clean everything out. That's what she said, right?
Go ahead, Sean, kick us off.
Yeah, let's start with the Clemco Flex. So, the Clemco Flex,
It's Clemco Flex.
Flex.
Get it, girl! Oh! Yeah!
Give me the part, Sean.
Damn, son.
Try to get closer to the toe, Sean. A little more. Give me, oh, we checked it. Hit me harder, B. Hey, Sean. What you doing? Oh, you busy, huh? Yeah, I saw that you left me a little assignment on your desk. When you coming in? Oh, you're tapped out, huh? Yeah, sounds a little wishy-washy to me. All right, well, I'll get on it. You enjoy your day off. We'll see you Monday at 8 o'clock? Maybe 9? All right, you get some rest, buddy.
Hey guys, I'm Sean from Blue Dog Blasting. I'm too busy, just way too busy to come in and do this video. So get out and blast or something. Whatever.
Boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom. Stay tuned.
BlueDogBlasting.com.
You got anything to add, Sean? Dope. So stay tuned.
Get out there and blast. Get out there and blast. Hey Blasters. Hey Blasters, Sean from Blue Dog Blasting. Get out there and blast. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Now get out there and blast.